Hello, student friends. Hope you are all fine and your family members are fine. And I hope you have utilized your lockdown time in a very fruitful way. So, welcome to TY BA English Ancillary class. It's semester 5. And I'm teaching you two papers, paper number 5 which is of literary criticism and paper number 6 which is grammar and art of writing. I have sent you enough material of these two papers and I hope you have gone through the syllabus of these two papers. So I'm in this video I'm going to deal with paper number 6, that is grammar and art of writing, and it's one unit about phonetic transcription. So it will help you to pronounce the word correctly, as well as from exam point of view. It is a scoring subject and scoring topic also. So now let's start with the topic. So you have a question 3. You might have gone through the sample question paper I have forwarded to you through our Google Classroom. There is a question number 3B. What is it? Transcribe the following lines using phonetic symbols for vowels and consonants. Okay? Transcribe the following lines. You will be given 7 to 8 lines and using phonetic symbols for vowels and consonants. Okay? So, what is phonetic transcription basically? It is written or printed representation of speech using phonetic alphabet. Phonetic transcription is written or printed representation of speech using phonetic alphabet. You might have used the dictionary or dictionary in the physically and in your mobile also. So after every word in 2 bars there is something written. Okay, so that is what a phonetic transcription of that word. So these are the not Roman alphabets. These are the phonetic alphabets. What are those phonetic alphabets? So before going to that, let's have a look at the question. So this is from the left hand side. There are 7 lines. Okay, a free bird lives on the back of the wing, etc. Okay, these are the 7, and this is your question. And the next one is answer. So those words are written in a phonetic script or phonetic alphabet, and each word is written into 2 slanting bars. Okay. So this is the question and this is your answer. You have to answer in this way. So these lines are transcribed by using symbols. These are the symbols for vowels and consonants. So these are the phonetic alphabets. Okay. So you can see here, this is the phonetic alphabets. They are 44 altogether, 44 sounds, and these are the consonants. Okay. So there is a Marathi translation also given, so it will be easy for you to understand. So some are from Roman alphabet, and some they are borrowed from some Greek alphabets also. Some additional are there, like ch in church, th in throw. It's van, v plus h, van. It's a judge, j in judge. This is the in this. Z. This is w in west, or woman, or well, w. This is what? Not J, but it is Y. Y as in yet. So, these are consonant sounds. They are 24. Okay? Now, in the next slide, we will see vowel sounds. Pure vowels, and pure vowels, they are also called monophthongs and the diphthongs. So, these are the pure vowels. They are 8. So, E, long E, short E, A, O, long U. So, these are the pure vowels, or monophthongs, means one vowel. So, what is the diphthong? Diphthong is a set of two vowels. It's a glide from one vowel to another. For example, how, ha, ow, right? In the word, there is h is a consonant, ow is a vowel sound, but there are the two vowel sounds. Boy, boy, boy. So it's a longer one. So it is a set of two vowel sounds, and so glide from one vowel to another vowel. Similarly, there are triphthongs are also there. It's a set of three vowel sound, glide from one vowel to another vowel sound. Royal, oil, player, air, player. Okay. So, why there is a more of phonetic symbols? As we know, or as we are especially second language learners find it very difficult to pronounce English words, English spelling, because there is no one-to-one correspondence between letters of alphabet and their pronunciation. No one-to-one relation between spelling and their pronunciation. So, for example, letter U represents more than one sound in the following words, like cut. The vowel sound is O. Put. Vowel sound is U. Nude. Minute. It is U represent E. Bury represent O. University. It represent Y. Right? So, letter U, it represents more than one sound, different sounds. So, there is no one-to-one relation. Similarly, OUGH in bow, cuff, dow, through, thorough. In these words, OUGH stands for different sounds. It is ow, it is a fur, it is a dow, it is a through, it is a thorough. So this OUGH stands for different sounds. Okay. Similarly, similar case with the vowel sounds also. E vowel sounds is represented by different letters in these words. E, field, field, greed, key, machine, people, sue, treat. Sometimes it is a longer E, sometimes it is a shorter E. Okay. So, it is felt that some kind of alphabet, phonetic alphabet has to be there, especially for second language learners. Okay, and to overcome this difficulty, these phonetic symbols are invented by the International Phonetic Association. So these phonetic symbols, they are called International Phonetic Symbols and invented by International Phonetic Association. So International Phonetic Alphabet IPA invented by International Phonetic Association. Again IPA. There are 44 sounds in English language, and every language uses sounds, and human beings have a capacity to produce different kinds of sounds. So every language uses a few set of sounds to make their language. So English has used 44 sounds. So those I have shown you in that phonetic alphabet. So in the how many letters are there in Roman alphabet? There are 26. So this is the reason of the problem. So these 26 letters represent 44 sounds. So there is no one-to-one relationship. So in phonetic alphabet, each sound has its own symbol. So these are invented so where one symbol represents one sound only. Okay, so you might have got the idea why there is a need to invent phonetic symbols. So these sounds, which are also called phonemes in this linguistic terminology, they are divided into consonant and vowel sounds. And vowel sounds are further divided into monophthongs and monophthongs, that is a pure vowel sound. Mono means one single vowel sound, and diphthongs. So what is consonant? You might have known this. It is a part of your 12th syllabus or 10th syllabus. In schooling you might have studied. This is not new to you. Okay. So what is a consonant? A basic speech sound in which the breath is partly obstructed and which can be combined with a vowel to form a syllable. Okay, what is a vowel? It is speech sound pronounced without any stricture in the vocal tract. So, vowel sounds comes out directly from our vocal tract without any obstruction, without any stricture. Without any obstruction, by any